Stu Sensei here from Duck Academy, here to hit you up with today's English word, which is consequence. Consequence. So, this word can be used in two ways. It has two meanings. The first meaning is a result or effect of an action. For example, do you ever watch Downtown's New Year's Eve TV show? The one where if they laugh, then a sound comes out, it says "Oats!" and then they get hit from behind by some masked men. Have you seen it? So we can say, as they laughed, the consequence is they get hit by someone. Okay? You can use consequence like that. Second meaning of consequence is the importance or relevance of something. For example, if you watch a football match and maybe the score is 5-0 and the losing team scores in the last minute, making it 5-1, you can say the goal that they scored is of no consequence. Okay? Those are two ways you can use the word consequence. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!